Hi lovelies, you're all welcome to the Delicious Kitchen. I'm sharing the easiest way to make your puff puff. This is our breakfast here today. I never planned it, alright, but this is what my family wants and I decided to make it. It is so fast and it came out super delicious. We all enjoyed it. So let's get it started. That is the flour. Please check the comment section for the measurements used, alright. Now I'll be adding yeast direct into it now. Vanilla sugar or vanilla extract. I'm adding salt, sugar. Now mix all these dry ingredients together. All right, all you need to do now is just to make a well at the middle of your flour, and now get some warm water. Please check the comment section for the measurements. All right, pour the water in it and start mixing. You can mix with your spatula like I'm doing, or you mix with your mixer. All right, now mix very well. This is very essential, very important that you mix it so well until it becomes so smooth like this, and you think you're looking at ice cream. All right, this is super well mixed. So all you need to do now is to clean the edges of your bowl and get a cling film, cover it with it. Let it be well covered. All right, now cover it with anything. Just make sure it is well closed, and I'll keep it until it is double in size. So let's check it out. Yes, it is now ready. You can now go ahead and start frying. So lovelies, get your vegetable oil, pour it into a pot, heat it up, and then we start frying. Shout out to Balogun Toyin. Thank you so much for liking our recipes. Please remember to leave a comment, let me know where you are watching us from. Thank you so much. So you flip over. You have to fry both sides. They have to become golden brown. All right, let it become golden brown and you're going to love it. So look at it. This first set is ready. They are ready already. Look at how beautiful they look. Look at it. So the first one is ready, and then you repeat the same process. This is so simple. Please check the comment section for the exact measurements used. You're going to find it there. It is there, and it is so super easy. I bet that you're going to love the result. It came out so perfect and delicious. Let me open it for you. Let me show you how it looks inside there. Look at it. So Homo, get your cocoa drink, get your tea, or is it coffee you want to drink, and the breakfast is ready. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.